Hey everyone, ever wondered what to do with those old or dead plants that seem like they've reached the end of their journey? Well, before you think about tossing them into the trash, let me share some surprising and sustainable ways to give them a new purpose. First up, composting. Dead plants are like gold for composting. They break down into rich, nutrient-dense soil that can rejuvenate your garden beds and potted plants. It's like turning what seems like waste into garden treasure. Now let's talk about mulching. If you chop or shred those dead plants, they can serve as an excellent mulch. Mulch is fantastic because it helps retain soil moisture, suppresses those pesky weeds, and slowly adds nutrients back into the soil as it breaks down. And here's something you might not have considered: green manure. You can till old plants right back into the soil. This not only disposes of your plant waste, but also improves the soil's structure and fertility by adding organic matter. It's like feeding the earth itself. For those of you who love a bit of DIY, dead plants can be a crafty resource. Dried plants and flowers can be used for making decorative wreaths, aromatic potpourri, or even beautiful botanical prints. It's a fun way to recycle and create something unique and personal. Let's not forget about our little friends in the garden, the wildlife. Leaving some dead plants in place can create natural habitats. These spots attract beneficial insects and provide shelter for small critters, making your garden a bustling ecosystem. If you're looking into natural fertilizers, certain chopped-up plants can be directly added to your garden beds. They decompose naturally, enriching the soil with essential nutrients, and you guessed it, it's all organic. For my fellow garden enthusiasts who enjoy propagation, don't throw out your old plants just yet. Some plants can regrow from their roots or seeds. It's always worth checking if you can save any part of it and replant for a new life. And speaking of seeds, seed saving is another fantastic way to utilize dead plants. Collect seeds from your expired plants to use for next season's planting. This is particularly great for preserving heirloom and non-hybrid varieties. Did you know that some plant residues can naturally deter pests? Yes, for example, remnants of marigolds can be used in your soil to repel nematodes. It's an eco-friendly pest control solution right from your garden. Lastly, for those of you who are educators or parents, use these old plants to teach kids about the life cycles of plants, the importance of decomposition, and the value of recycling organic matter. It's a hands-on learning experience that's both fun and educational. So next time you find yourself with a bunch of dead plants, remember, they're not just waste, they're opportunities. Opportunities to enrich, beautify, and educate in your garden. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep making the most out of our gardens. Happy gardening! Subscribe for more plants hacks.